is an experiment. I'm reading from Dan Abbott's Horus Rising, Part 1 of the Horus Heresy, page 157. Had been so intense. Their comrades had not been able even to retrieve their bodies. Advance, Loken ordered. Raising their storm bolters, the Terminator squad began to crunch out across the rock bridges, dislodging white bone and rotten tunics with their immense feet. Gunfire greeted them immediately, blistering down from invisible positions up in the crags. The shots spanked and whined off the specialized armor. Head set, the Terminators walked into it, shrugging it away, like men walking into a gale wind. What had kept the army at bay for weeks and cost them dearly merely tickled the Legion warriors. This would be over quickly, Loken realized. He regretted the loyal blood that had been wasted needlessly. This had always been a job for the Astartes. The front ranks of the Terminator squad, halfway across the bridges, began to fire. Bolters and in-bolt heavy weapon systems unloaded across the abyss, blitzing laser shots and storms of explosive munitions at the upper slopes. Hidden positions and fortifications exploded and limp, tangled bodies tumbled away into the chasm below in floors of rock and ice. Samus began his worrying again. Samus, that's the only name you'll hear. Samus. It means the end and the death. Samus. I am Samus. Samus is all around you. Samus is the man beside you. Samus will gnaw upon your bones. Look out. Samus is here. Advance, Loken cried, and please someone shut that bastard up. And who's Samus? Borodin Flora asked. The Remembrancers, with an escort of army troopers and servitors, had just disembarked from their lander into the bitter cold of a township called Kashiri. The cold mountains swooped up beyond them into the mist.